Hi everyone, in this video you will learn all techniques to merge cells in Microsoft Excel. First, if I want to merge the top cells just from home, from alignment, we have this option. We have four options here. Merge on center, directly it merges all of them. Also we have another option, unmerge cells. It comes to the original situation. For example, if you have writing in all cells, if we try to merge it, we get a pop-up error. Merging cells only keeps the upper left value and discard other values. It means only writing in first row appears and removes all the information. Okay, another way. If I want to merge these cells, let's see the difference. If you merge on center, it changes all the cells to one cell. But if I select merge across, you see, just make the cells in a row to one cell. And if I merge cells again, change all the cells to one cell. Control Z. It's all. If you see it helpful, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice day.